In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find TikTok traffic in Google Analytics using the Traffic Acquisition Report. To get started, open Google Analytics and click Reports in the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you can review how visitors are reaching your site. Next, expand the Acquisition section and select Traffic Acquisition. This report breaks down your website sessions by the channels and sources that sent people to your site. Above the table, find the primary dimension dropdown. It will usually be set to Session Default Channel Group. Click it and change the dimension to Session Source/Medium. This gives you a more detailed view of the specific platforms and traffic sources behind each session. Quick side note, for more practical Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now use the search bar directly above the table rows. Type TikTok and press enter. The report will filter to show any traffic Google Analytics has attributed to TikTok, along with the relevant source and medium details. And that's it. You've successfully found your TikTok traffic in Google Analytics.